working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at SRM Madurai College for Engineering and Technology. I am going to deliver the topic on thermal engineering. In this topic, I am going to deliver the power producing devices like boiler and internal combustion engine. We are well wished to know the boiler is also known as steam generator. In this steam generator, the water is converted into steam by means of heat supplied heat energy, and the heat energy is supplied by means of fuel or coal. And this is a simple outline or simple principle of the steam generator. In this, coal is used as a fuel to boil the water, which converts the phase from liquid to vapor phase. After converting the phase, the pressurized steam uh, pressurized steam is to force or rotate the turbine at a high speed. After after expanding the turbine, the low pressure steam is passed to the condenser, where it changes phase from vapor to liquid, and by the application of seawater. After converting to the liquid, it's also circulated inside the boiler, which is a circulating manner. Um, there are the several type of the boiler: fire to boiler and water to boiler. And based on the water circulation, there is a two types: natural and forced convection. Forced convection means it is driven by the external force like pump. According to the usage, stationary boiler and mobile boiler. The mobile boilers are used in the tea shop. Based on the position furnace, it is internally fired and externally fired. The internally fired boiler means it is this type of boiler is internally fired boiler, where the externally fired means it is burned. When the coal is used as a fuel, which is burned externally before getting into the boiler. Based on the position, the boilers are classified into three types: horizontal, vertical, inclined type boiler. Based on the pressure, low pressure boiler, medium pressure boiler, high pressure boiler, supercritical boiler. The supercritical boiler which operate above the above 150 bar, which are used to convert the water into supercritical pressure. The high pressure boiler are used to operate above 80 bar, which are used in uh, steam power plant. And the medium pressure boiler which used to operate between 20 to 80 bar, which also used in the steam turbine. The low pressure boilers are used in the local application. Whereas in the water tube boiler, the water is circulated in the tube. The name also describes the water tube. That means water is circulated in the tube, whereas the hot fuel gas flow over the tube, which convert the phase of the water from liquid to vapor. Whereas in the fire tube boiler, and the hot gases, that means the flue in the fire is flow to the tube. That means hot flue gases flow to the tube, which is whereas the water is circulated over the fire tubes, which is connected the phase from liquid to vapor. And the best example of the fire tube boiler is Cochrane boiler, whereas the best example for the water tube boiler is Babcock and Wilcox boiler. And then there are several criteria to select the boiler. That means we need a huge area, that is a floor area available, that means huge area. And the rate of the steam generation means the rate and the steam generation per kg, that means per kg of the how much steam is generated per kg of the fuel. And then work pressure required, that means we can able to choose the various type of the boiler, various type of the pressurized boiler, that means supercritical boiler or medium pressure boiler or high pressure boiler or low pressure boiler. Mainly low pressure boiler are not considered in the industry type, so we are going to do, we can able to select the high pressure, medium pressure or supercritical boiler, and the quality of the steam required. That means how much the quantity. That means how much is can able to generate the energy and fuel and water. That means we need to design the boiler which is nearer to the sea area, and then also we need to fix the boiler combustion engine. In this topic, let discussion about the different type of the internal combustion engine. Based on the stroke, it is classified as two-stroke engine and four-stroke engine. The two-stroke engine, Yamaha RS 15 is the best example for two-stroke engine, whereas the four-stroke engine, recently two-wheeler, four-wheeler, six-wheelers, truck are the best example of the four-stroke engine. Based on the combustion, Otto cycle engine, diesel cycle engine, dual cycle engine, we are well wish to know the Otto cycle engine is also known as petrol engine, and the two-wheelers are comes under the category of the Otto cycle engine, whereas the diesel cycle engine, four-wheelers, that means four-wheelers also um, falls on auto or diesel cycle engines. That means auto means petrol engine, whereas the diesel means it is run by using the diesel as a fuel. Whereas the dual cycle means which is used electrical plus fuel or anything like this. In the type of the fuel use, it is mainly classified as petrol engine, gas engine, diesel engine. Gas engines are also known as compressed CNG gas engines. According to the method of the ignition, it is mainly classified as spark ignition. It is also known as SI engine, and then compressed ignition engine (CA) engine. Based on the cooling system, it is classified as air-cooled engine. The air-cooled engine are most of the two-wheelers automobile or comes under category of air-cooled engine. In this is uh, in this we can able to see in the place which is also act as a fins, where the air is come and touch the engine, and then it is cooled by dissipating the heat. Whereas in the water cooled engine or force in the four way, that means car above the cars, that means truck, buses, cars, or, or comes under the category of the water cooled engine. In this you can able to see the water is circulated, or the coolant is circulated inside the engine to absorb the heat uh, from the engine. According to the speed of the engine, low speed engine, high speed engine, medium speed engine, and then according to the arrangement of the cylinder, we can able to see horizontal cylinder engine. In this type, then the piston moves in the horizontal. In the vertical type, the piston is moves in the vertical type. The V type engine, and the piston is moves as like the piston is moves, whereas piston and the crankshaft are move, piston and the flywheel are moves perpendicular to each other. According to the cylinder engine, we can able to see there are the single cylinder engine and multi-cylinder engine. It is a single cylinder engine. Single cylinder engine are used in the two wheelers, whereas the multi-cylinder engine are used in the for heavy trucks. Whereas according to the use, there are stationary engine, marine engine, automobile engine, and then aerospace engine.